Hello everyone, it's your girl Sholz. Today we're going to be making some delicious African buns. These are popular street food, crunchy on the outside, yummy on the inside, easy to make and absolutely delicious. If this is your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. For our ingredients, we do have here some plain all-purpose flour, some sugar, some eggs. I have here some evaporated milk. You can use whatever milk, but to get the best, evaporated milk is my recommendation. And for flavor, we have nutmeg, vanilla extract, some canola oil, and some baking powder and salt. So let's go ahead and combine all our dry ingredients. Get a big bowl, add your flour, add your sugar, add your baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. Combine all of that together. Oops, let's not forget our nutmeg. This is great for flavor. You can use cinnamon as well if that's what you like, but I prefer nutmeg. Mix all of that together and we're gonna go on to our wet ingredients. Whisk your eggs, add your milk, add your vanilla extract. Now it's time to add the dry and the wet ingredients together. Let's do a little bit of cleanup. Now add your egg mix into your flour and add your oil. I'm gonna add half of the cooking oil right now. I'm using canola. Just mix all of that together and I'm gonna add the rest soon in the mixing process just to help combine it all together. So I add the rest and I'm switching to my hands because it's just easier for me. It gets sticky, so if you don't like it, continue with a spoon or a ladle. Now this is the produce at this point. This is the consistency you get. If you like it really thick, you can stop here. I like it just a little bit softer, so I'm gonna add some more evaporated milk, just about 1/8 of a cup. Mix all of that together and you can see it's stretching out nicely. Just let that sit for about 15 minutes, cover it up, and we'll be right back. So now it's been sitting for a while. I got my oil on the stovetop heating up to a medium heat. You can see it's about 6/10. And now we're gonna start frying. This is my method. You can use a spoon, you can use whatever tool you have, but I'm used to using it with my hands and it works perfectly. So as you see, I have a bowl of water next to me and I just make sure my hand is wet and press the batter against the bowl and drop it into the hot oil nicely and safely. So your buns is gonna sink and then rise up. Number one tip for frying here, make sure you use a non-stick pot or pan or saucepan or saute pan, whatever you have. Make sure it's non-stick because if it's not, once the buns hits the bottom, it's gonna stick there. And make sure you use medium heat so that you can get the internals cooked all the way through. Make sure it's not browning too quickly. So we're just gonna go ahead and repeat this until all your batter is gone. And you're gonna have delicious buns. This made about 30 buns, 25 to 30 depending on your size. Now let's check this out. It already smells so good, guys, so I know it's gonna taste absolutely amazing. It's crunchy on the outside and it's soft on the inside. Woo! Just take a look at that. And it's cooked all the way through. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new recipe video. Let's go ahead and taste it. Oh, which one do I want? Yeah, let's try this one. It is so yummy. This is absolutely delicious. You can wow your guests with this. It's delicious and easy, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And until next time, bye.